Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Math Magic, the only solution for all mathematical problems. So today our topic is equation, how to solve the equation. So I have already written one question here. Before starting this one, I just want to give you a brief knowledge about equation. Now what does an equation means? What is the meaning of this equation? If you don't know the meaning of the equation, you cannot solve the equation. So what is an equation? An equation is a mathematical expression that with a variable and a constant. In an equation, this is an equation. In this equation, you can see that here there is a variable. What is the variable here? Variable means any alphabet. Okay, this is a variable. Variable, it can be x, y, z, anything, any alphabet. It is a variable. So equation is a mathematical expression with a variable and a constant, and which shows the two expression, that is the variable and the constants, they are equal. Both the side of the equation is always equal. Okay, so and here I have already written a question about the equation. In this side, in this board, you can see I have written a question on equation. In that question, the variable is x, and you have to find the value of this variable only. Is it clear? So let's start. So in equation, always there are two sides. Okay, left hand side and right hand side. And if it is an equation, left hand side will always be equal to the right hand side. So let's start. Here 5 into x, the first rule of the equation is what? Whenever you change the side, the sign will also change. Suppose there are two sides, as I told you, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, the left hand side should always be equal to the right hand side. And in case of in any equation, whenever any sign, suppose there is positive sign, if you change the sign side, the sign will become, if it is a plus sign, it will become minus. If it is a minus sign, it will become plus. If it is multiply, it will become divide. And if it is divide, it will become multiply. So this is the role of an equation. So now in this question, you can see the sign between the two numbers is what? Plus. So if I want to find the value of x, I need to take this number to the right hand side. Okay, so since it is plus, so according to the rule, the plus will become, if you change the side, the plus will become minus. So 21 minus 4. So 5x is equal to 21 minus 4 means how much? 17. Okay, now the right hand side is 17. Now you can see here it is 5 into x. So if you change the side, it will become 17 divided by 5. So it will be a fraction 17 by 5. So this is the value of x. Okay, now you need to check whether the equation, whether the given the value which we get is appropriate or not. So in order to find whether it is appropriate or not, you need to check the equation. So how to check the equation? You need to put this value on left hand side. So left hand side equal to how much? 5x plus 4. So what is the value of x here? 17 divided by 5 plus 4. So 5 cancels, 17 plus 4 is 21, which is equal to our right hand side. So we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So in that way, you can find out the value of any variable from an equation. Say for example, this is the case of plus sign. If it is a minus sign, with same question, if it is a minus sign, so whenever you will change it, it will become minus sign. If you change the sign, it will become plus. So after that, 21 plus 4 is how much? 25. So here 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5 is how much? 5 is the 25. Here if it is a minus then the value of x will be 5. Now put this value over here. Same way checking 5 into x minus 4 equal to 5 into 5 minus 4. 5 is the 25 minus 4 is equal to 21, which is equal to our right hand side. So you can say that here left hand side is equal to right hand side. So I will give you some more example of this one. So that our previous one was an example of an equation with one variable. Okay. Now if the equation is like that both sides there are variables, what to do? In that case, what you will do? You will take the variable in one side and numbers in one side. So 5x, here what is the variable? Plus 2x. So it will become minus 2x, and right hand side also it is 11, and it is, since it is minus, so according to our rule it will become plus. So 5x minus 2x is how much? 3x, and here it will become 15. Now 3x is equal to 15 divided by 3 is equal to how much? 3 5s are 15. Therefore x is equal to 15. Now how to check this one? Since this is an equation where both the side, in both the side you will get variables. So first you will take this left hand side. We will solve for left hand side. So 5x minus 4 is equal to, in place of x we will write this one, 5 into 5 minus 4. 5 is the 25 minus 4 is 21. Now come to the right hand side. Right hand side it is 2x plus 11. In place of x we will write 5. 2 into 5 plus 11, that is 5 to the 10 plus 11 equal to 21. Now you can see that in both the sides the answer is 21. Therefore this is an equation. Therefore you can write that left hand side is equal to her right hand side. Solved. This is in case of when both the sides have variable, so you can solve in that way. Now another example I also wrote for you, so that you can understand the topic nicely. Here also both the side has variable, but here you have to apply the distributive property. What is the property? 6 into x, then what is the side? Plus 6 into 3. Here also same, 2 into 4x minus 2 into 1. Now 6x plus 3 6 are 18. Here 4 2 are 8x minus 2. Now we will take the variable in one side and number in one side. So 18 plus 2 is equal to 8x minus 6x. Just change of side means change of sign also. So 20 equal to 2x. Therefore x is equal to 20 divided by 2 equal to how much? 10. So the value of x is 10. Now put this value over here. Left hand side is how much? 6 into 6x, sorry, x plus, you can directly write this one, second line, 6x plus 18. 6 into 10 plus 18, that means 60 plus 18 equal to how much? 78. Now on right hand side, solve for right hand side. Right hand side is how much? 8x minus 2 8 into 10 minus 2, 80 minus 2 equal to 78. So you can see both the values are equal. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Solved. So in that manner, you can solve the equation. So that's all for today. If you like this video, I hope you have understood the concept of equation and how to take out the values of variable. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel Math Magic, and thank you for watching the videos. Thanks a lot.